Presenting the Vivo V20 Pro. The phone has display of 16.35 centimeters, 6.44 inch, and 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution. The phone also has FHD plus multi-touch capacitive touchscreen, body/object autofocus and super macro. It has 64 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP rear camera. It has 44 MP plus 8 MP selfie. It has super night mode, super wide-angle night mode and tripod night mode. Ultra-stable video and art portrait video. Bokeh portrait and multi-style portrait. It comes with 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory expandable. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, and dual standby. It also features fingerprint, dual SIM and proximity. Accelerometer, ambient light sensor and GPS. The delivery box contains handset, earphones and documentation. Micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter and SIM ejector. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.